Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. ITCIs look like it's going to crash, hopefully it is. And it started with the jump, which I don't like, but I'm waiting and want to see if that jump going to hold. Now this stock is already 8% down, okay, which is pretty deep. And I want to join, I want to enter, but I have to do that below the big candle. Okay, so it have to be below the 27.5, so it's $1 risk, and I'm about to enter my command. Just want to make sure, yeah, the pre-market is the same as the post, and you can see the view up there. So if it does crash below the 170, I want to join, and it's a big stop, but consider what it's already done in the pre-market. It could be a short one. Okay, so the command is here and I'm waiting. Okay, it looks like it kinda having problems to go up, which is a good sign, but it's actually having problem to go down as well. So, and it actually enters. So I'm in, again waiting for the 28.5 to be as a stop, which is the view up. I'm going to give it 20 more cents, which I didn't calculate in the first place, so it might cost me a bit more, but I'm going to take it as the highest of the day, or the highest of the regular hours day. And I'm waiting just to see what will happen, and I don't like what's going on, so I'm submitting my stop. Hopefully I will never reach that, but let me kinda put my partial one. It's going to be just above the 26. Okay. I hope that it's not just touch me and go, but I need to wait and see. Now we are in 3 almost 2 million shares exchange hands, so it's a good volume. And you can see that it started with 700 plus and it's still reaching that. And I hope I'm not going to see a hammer candle, but right now it does not look too good for me. It's really bad. Come on. It's playing the 28, 20. It's actually playing the view up. It's reaching the view up and going down a bit. The view up and going down a bit. So I need to give it a bit space. And just hoping that it's not going to bite me in the ass. Come on. Can you give me my crash already? Can't you? Now we reached the 10% today, meaning there is a protection on the stock. So in order to sell, you actually need to buy. So it's going to get higher to sell and not going down with a sell. So the protection is in here. Just to clarify what I just said, if the protection is on, you need to be on the seller side and not on the bid side. So you can't fulfill your order automatically, you have to sit on the ask side. It sometimes causing the stocks to jump a bit every time before it's crashing. So it's the reason I'm giving it a bit more space, but my space is limited. The stop is fixed, it's not going to move an inch. Come on. Still waiting for it, but it's really not a good sign. Once it's reaching the highs of the day, there is a huge potential that it's going to try and kinda eat basically the gap, which is the 8% down now, 8.5% down. But I'm still waiting, trying to be patient. Again, stock that is around 10% down should continue at least a bit more down, but right now just took my entrance and left, which is the worst thing I can do for me in a trade. Come on. Where's my crash? See that, except for the first candle, which is the first candle, doesn't really matter what it's going to do, but the second and third, you can see that the volume is only existed, the real volume only existed with the short. With the buys basically on float, it just a little buy and it jumped, a little bit buy and it moved, but the volume is always with the red candles. 46, 44, 50 will be a bad sign. Come on. Okay, that's really a bad sign. And are you going back? You going back? Played enough? Not play enough, and I'm out. That cost me. Cost me 170 bucks, and you can see that it's going up. It's actually, I would consider a long here. Doesn't look good. So I need to rethink my entrance. It's not working. Something is broken, and I need to review all my trades and understand exactly what and what should I do to change it. It cost me 170 bucks today. I'm on a losing streak that I need to break, and it's played a bit more. It's reaching 28.75 and then crash, but the entrance was pretty bad. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.